Ayan, hello guys! Mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Team One Love. Ayan, this is Christian PH from Team Kapatiran Victorina. Bumabati po sa inyo ng happy 3rd anniversary po sa inyong lahat. Mga ka-Team One Love. Ayan. Sana po ay marami pa kayong matulungan ng mga small YouTubers na kagaya ko na natulungan ni Idol Pabiboys Vlogs. Ayan. Sana po at napalawak niyo pa po yung team nyo as Team One Love. Ayan. Once again, happy 3rd anniversary po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. God bless you all always, guys. And yan, happy 3rd anniversary, guys. Mwah.
Hello everyone. I am Ruvelin Agvon from Vienna, Austria. I just want to extend my congratulations for the Team One Love for their 3rd year anniversary as a team in YouTube. Especially the founder for his effort and also good heart. Brother Pabiboy, congratulations for having 3 years already in YouTube, your Team One Love family. And also with his wife, Kitchelen Days Vlogs, congratulations also. I am extending my congratulations with your whole team being a member of this channel. I hope and pray that you will have more years to celebrate. Thank you. Bye-bye. Woot, woot, woot.
Ayan, mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat. Ayan, unang-unang nagpapasalamat ako sa nag-invite sa akin na magbigay ng maikling mensahe para sa gaganaping celebration na to. Ayan, happy 3rd year anniversary Team One Love sa pamumuno ng ating Pabiboys Vlog. At congratulations, nakatatlong taon na kayo dito sa Team One Love. Kahit may mga pagsubok mang dumaan, andyan pa rin, buo pa rin ang team na to. So, hope na mas marami pa kayong ma-meet na mga bagong kaibigan at mas mapalago nyo pa ang inyong samahan at nang ma-celebrate at nang mas mahaba pang panahon ang maging selebrasyon ng team na to. Sir Pabiboys, thank you so much sa inyong laging suporta dyan. Yan, kahit hindi man ako nakakapag-support, yung solid support talaga, yan, pasensya na kayo at lagi kasing busy. Ayan, thank you so much po talaga sa inyong team. Ayan, yun lang Sir Pabiboys and congratulations again. Team One Love, woot woot woot!
Woot, woot, woot! Unica Angel 10 is saying a happy 3rd year anniversary, of course. A Team One Love. Ayan. And I hope na mas marami pang taon ang dumaan at dumating para sa Team One Love. And of course, I salute for you, bro, Pabiboys. Ayan. You did it well. And ayun, na masaya at laking good vibes lang lagi ang iyong life. And of course, ang Team One Love, laging may pagkakaisa. So, nakakatuwa lang na may mga team na katulad nyo na masarap makasama. Ayun. Okay, happy 3rd year anniversary, Ken, and congratulations to all of you guys, to all the members of Team One Love.
Ayan, shout out Team One Love, happy anniversary, mabuhay. Ayan, naway marami pang channels na mapaangat at matulungan ang ating admin na Team One Love. And good luck and more power sa Team One Love community. Ayan, again, happy anniversary. God bless everyone.
Hello, my mega love shout out to all of you. Hello, Team One Love. This is me, Ding Colorful Live from Team Yakap na bumabati sa inyo ng Happy Anniversary! Ayan, 3 taon na po kayo. Ay, 3 taon na po kayo. Ayan, more taon pa. God bless us all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, mega love shoutout po. On behalf of Team Yakap, andito po kami bumabati sa Team One Love. Happy 3rd year anniversary po sa inyo and more power po. God bless po. Nagpapasalamat kami, especially Mayang and Pabiboy's Vlog. Thank you sa inyo. Naging parting kami ng Team One Love at more power. God bless po.
Congratulations pala sa 3rd anniversary ng Team One Love. Congratulations sa inyong 3 taon, 3rd year anniversary ng Team One Love.
Team One Love, Team One Love. I am one of the Team One Love. I love Team One Love. Happy 3rd year anniversary, guys. Thank you sa lahat ng bumubuo ng team na to. Mabuhay po kayo! Happy anniversary from my goodness!
Hello! Mega love shoutout! What? Team One Love, congratulations for having a 3 years anniversary special! Wow! Mapapasana all 3 years, so since 2020, 21, 22, 23, 3 taon! Yun! Galing. Fresh from vacation. Ayan. Medyo napapanta ko. Nalilito. Pero congratulations bro Papi Boy sa team leader ng Team One Love at sa mga members, mga kasama sa Team One Love. What? Ayan, may customer. Habang nagka-customer. Sana always support each other. Ayan. Support. Then, stay humble and then enjoy lagi. Yan ang aking masasabi. Then, good luck sa darating pang mga... Wait na, may customer. Sakman. Pangyawa. Sakman. Ayan po. 我有 ang baysay, okay lang. At sa darating pang mga upcoming spring year and live, congratulations. Ayan. Thank you very much for having a Team One Love. What? Bye-bye. Maraming salamat. Dance. Alright. Bye-bye.
Yo! Ayan. At andito si Tatay Hep. Ayan. Tatay Hep ng YT. Ayan. At babatiin ko lang ang aking anak na si Pabiboy's Vlog sa kanyang team na Team One Love. Wow! Happy 3rd year anniversary na sa Team One Love. Oh, wow, parang kailan lang 3 years na pala ang Team One Love. Ayan. More power sa team. Ayan, sa mga member ng Team One Love. Pabiboy's Vlog, congratulations nak. Ayan sa inyong team. Ayan. Sana ay magtagal pa ang inyong samahan sa Team One Love. Ayan. Andito lang si Tatay. Ayan. Pasensya ka na kung minsan na hindi nakakasilip si Tatay dahil nga ang time ay madaling araw na, pero andito lang si Tatay. Ayan. Always sabihin mo lang sa akin. Ayan. Muli, congratulations. Happy 3rd year anniversary sa Team One Love. Ayan. Congratulations na. Ayan. More power. Happy anniversary. Bye-bye.
Here we go. Ayan. Hello sa inyo dyan. Team One Love, woot, happy 3rd anniversary. Diyos ko, 3 taon na kayo sa kalam. Ayan, more anniversary to come. Ayan, more happiness to come. Ayan, more ka-collaboration. Ayan. Ayan, basta wish ko lang sa Team One Love, seriously, sana magtagal pa kayo lalo. At pagpatuloy nyo lang kung ano yung mga ginagawa nyo. Laging good vibes. Ayan, simula nung nakilala ko o nalapit ako dito sa Team One Love is nadagdagan yung happiness ko sa buhay. Ayan, lagi kasing masaya, good vibes, laging kantahan. Nakaka-enjoy. Ayan, this is my Santos vlog from Kasangga Foundation, Kalembang Boys, Sword Team USA, the Chonky, the Anothers, ayan, Sword Team Chonky, the Anothers, and Team Kamote, and many na team pa. Ayan, in behalf nila, ayan, binabati namin kayo ng happy 3rd anniversary. Team One Love sa Kalam. Ayan. I love you all. Woot woot!